Hi friends, so today I am sitting down to do an unboxing and try on from the Dailylook. So if you are new to my channel, you may not realize this, but I love doing unboxing. I love working with stylists. I love doing try-on sessions for you guys. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you click that little red button right down below. I do have a goal for myself of 2019 to hit 100,000 subscribers. So if you could help me get there, it'd be greatly appreciated. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the process with Dailylook and how I went through that process to get the box actually sent to me. So if you have not yet heard of the Dailylook is a subscription service similar to Stitch Fix, similar to Nordstrom Trunk Club, similar to Material Box, all of these different ones. And what the premise of it is you go through and fill out a profile and you give them ideas of things you like, things you don't like, things you're looking for in your wardrobe, ideas of items that you might want. You go through and do profiles of which styles, they do sets of photos and which styles do you like the best. They have a questionnaire where you fill out different questions as to what style you gravitate towards. Is it more trendy? Is it more boho? Is it more classic? Whatever have you. Then you also go through and give them all of your size profiles, stores you typically look at, and things like that. It is very detail oriented and lots of different information that goes into it. Then your information goes to a stylist. A stylist then picks out 8 different items for you. They put them in a kind of shopping cart type of area, and it's a preview area. You can then go in. You have, I believe it's 24 hours to go through and preview the actual items that the stylist has chosen for you. And then you can go through and choose 3 to remove if you don't like the ideas of things. So I removed a red sweater. I'm just not a red person. I also removed a moto jacket because I tend to have a bunch of moto jackets that I already own. And I honestly forget what the third item was I removed, but I removed 3 of the items. And then with that, they choose 3 other items and include them in the box. You don't get to preview it again. It just simply comes in your box. So then the box is shipped to you. When you get the box, just like I did, you simply open it up and go through everything. So I'm going to take you through that process now. Right, so let's jump right into it. Oh, nice. The box, actually, the bow stays on the box. It's not tied in, which that is nice. So it comes with a little folder. It says Dailylook, enclosed your personal stylist note, return instructions, and thank you for shopping with us. So let's see here. New you sale. Get 50% off 2 items when you keep 5. Discount applied to the 2 lowest price items, and there's a code for that. It has a return shipping label. A note from your stylist. All right, so the note inside, it says your curated Dailylook box. Try everything on. You have 5 days to decide what you want to purchase. 2, check out at the dailylook.com/mybox. Let us know what you're keeping and returning. 3, use the prepaid return label and return the items you don't want. You can drop it off at any UPS person center. You need a free UPS pickup. Please contact client services. You have 5 days from receipt to ship any items back. And then there's a note from the stylist, and it actually goes through and tells you different ideas. So I will read this to you. It says, "Hello, Lisa. Happy New Year from us at Dailylook. I'm Veronica, your personal stylist. We're in the thick of winter. There are storms here in California, and it looks like snow is coming your way. I wanted to style you in comfy, cozy, warm pieces, but also give you some trendier items to carry you into spring. Let's start with the Just Black Ariel mid-rise cropped and distressed fray hem skinny jeans and the Just Black Carly mid-rise cropped skinny jeans. These 2 cuts are amazing. I wanted to include the distressed pair to see if you like them. Try the classic Just Black Carly mid-rise cropped skinny jeans with our V-neck dropped shoulder long sleeve top and layer the Vero Mata quilted zip up light down vest for a cozy winter look. The Caitlin ruffle top is a great layering piece and would look perfect under any of your moto jackets. I also love our Velvet by Graham Spencer waffle knit hoodie as a layering piece. Try your classic black skinnies with our Cindy off-the-shoulder tie sleeve top and statement earrings. This top is comfortable and flattering with a great look with a long trench. For another cozy winter look, pair the distressed denim with a white turtleneck and our mystery 2-pocket cardigan. This coatigan, oh, it's a coatigan, interesting, is to die for. It's great thrown on post-workouts as well. I hope you love these hand-picked pieces and can't wait to see what you end up choosing. Have fun trying everything on and don't be afraid to experiment in how to combine all the pieces. Your stylist, Veronica." So let's get started. So the first thing, this must be the coatigan. This is the Mystery. It is in a size large, and it is a cardigan. Look at that pretty detailing down there. It feels amazingly soft. It feels really well made, so we will try that one on. And then this is the Veronica Moda, and this is in a size medium. This is the down puffer jacket. Ooh, that's really soft too. That feels really nice. That's a cute layering piece. And then, what is this one? The Velvet by Graham Spencer in a size medium. And this is a kind of like a waffle knit hoodie. It does have a hood to it. It looks really comfortable. The interesting part will be the length and where that hits me. No pockets on the front, but that's really cute. Then the Dailylook. This is their brand. It is a medium in this top. And this is what it looks like. It's cute, black, has a nice little, oh, I'm showing it to you backwards because the detail is over here. Oh no, that detail is in the back. That's funny, I had to figure that out. Has a nice elastic towards the top. It has nice layering. This is in a size medium. Then, what is this? Oh, it's a top. Now this will be interesting because it will depend on the length of this on me. This is the Olivia Gray in a size medium. This is what it looks like. It has a cute little tie sleeve over here. This is the Corey medium. Oh, this is soft. Wow, this is really cute and really soft. I like this coloring. I love heather gray anyway. I love the fact that that's super soft. And then it looks like the two pairs of jeans, the Just Black in a size 30. This looks like the regular one. And then this is the distressed one. Then in the bottom is the packing slip with all the prices on it, a return bag that you can return everything in, and that is the end of the box. So let's jump into this and try everything on. So the first thing I'm throwing on is a pair of the jeans, the regular jeans, not the distressed ones, because I don't gravitate as much towards distressed jeans anymore. These are very comfortable. However, they sit a little bit lower on me than I'm typically comfortable for. I typically like it to be more at the belly button. It also is a little bit low in the back, and I feel like if I lean over, I'm going to be showing all my goods. But they're very comfortable, very soft, and they have a really good length to them that I like. They're $88, which to me is a good price point. That's typically about what I'd pay for a pair of jeans. But the fact that it sits down low kind of gives me a muffin top and has that gaping in the back is one reason why I won't be keeping these. Now the sweater is the heather gray sweater. It is so soft and cozy, guys, so comfortable. $62. It has a nice up down on the side. You can simply just tuck those front pockets in. It's a super great sweater, very easy to wear and very comfortable. This one is a keeper. So now I wanted to show you that same sweater, adding the puffer vest to it. The puffer vest, the one thing I found interesting is it does not have pockets, and that is maddening to me. I can't get over it. I always want to stick my hands in pockets. Oh wait, I found pockets. I found pockets. How awesome. I'm so excited now. So this is $59. I think it's a great price point. It's super soft, very comfortable, easy to throw on like this. It zips up, so it's a good size. It's not too big, not too small. Some I have feel very tight across the chest. This one has a good amount of give to it, is very comfortable and very easy to wear. I think this would look really cute too with the waffle knit shirt, so I'm going to show you that one next. So now I have on those same jeans with the waffle knit tee. I think this is very comfortable, very nice. It is not too tight in the neck. It has a good size, just nice hood in the back that's comfortable. It doesn't pull from the front. It is not as short as I was worried it was going to be. Overall, I really like the look and the feel of this, but it's $129. And to me, for a waffle knit t-shirt slash sweatshirt, that's just not a price I'm willing to pay. I feel as if something like this I would buy if it was probably in the like $50, $60 range, but this I just am not interested at that price point. But I will show it to you with the vest on so you can get an idea of what that would look like as well. So now wearing the waffle knit little sweater slash t-shirt with the vest, you can simply pull the hood out over the back of it. You can wear it open with your hands in the pocket, as I like to do, or you can wear it zipped up, and it still gives you a really cute look. It looks very put together, a very nice outfit overall. It's just, like I mentioned, I'm just not willing to pay that for this shirt. Next up is this gorgeous tied sleeve little shirt. It is an off the shoulder. It looks very cute on. It is not as short as I had anticipated as well. I was a little bit worried when I saw this. It's very comfortable, very well made. It is $79. I think that's a good price point for this. However, one thing that happens to me with these type of shirts is exactly what you're seeing here. It starts where it should be, and then as I move around and do things and whatever have you, it ends up like this. And I'm always uncomfortable in this because then I'm pulling at it and kind of going like this. I do think this is a very cute shirt. I love the look of it, but practically it's not something I'll wear. I do have one almost exactly like this in a lighter blue color. The sleeves are a little bit longer, and this part is just a little bit longer, from Free People that I have had for years. I don't tend to grab for shirts like this that often. It's every once in a while when I'm going out somewhere, but it's just not something right now that I need in my wardrobe. Next up is this cute shirt. It's from Dailylook. It is actually very, very comfortable. It has 2 layers right through here. The top of this, guys, is incredibly comfortable. It has so much give. A lot of times you end up with tops like this and they just kind of creep up on your neck and they get tight in through the underarms. This has plenty of give, but not too much where anything is showing. Very comfortable, cute in the back. Again, where the downfall comes with this with me is I have something very, very similar already in my wardrobe in black. I also have one in pink and in yellow that I wear quite frequently, and I just don't, unfortunately, need this at this time. Next item is this cardigan, not a cardigan, a cardigan. Very cute, very soft. It feels a little big on me. It kind of feels like I've got a lot of space in through here. It overall is very cute, very easy to throw on. I love that it has pockets. It's very easy to work with many different colors because of the kind of stitching in through it. It kind of is hard to see, but it has multiple different colors in through it. Very, very cute, very nicely made. It is definitely something that I am considering. This is one of the ones that I think would be something I could get a lot of use out of. I'm just not sure on the fit. That's kind of where I'm going to have to play with this one and see where this one goes. I did change the jeans, but I forgot to mention to you guys on this cardigan, the price is $108. Little on the high side. I mean, typically I would say I'd probably pay closer to like an $80 mark for this. I'm just really trying to figure out the fit on this, and I'm going to have to just watch back in the video and see what I think and go from there. The last item are these jeans. This is the distressed version. Both of these are in a size 30. This one still sits a little bit below my belly button, but it is not quite so low below. It also does not have as much of a gap there, and it doesn't feel like it's going to fall. These are very, very comfortable. I'm not as much into distressing as much lately, but I love the frayed hem on these. I think it is so cute. So I'm seriously considering these. These are $98, and they're just something that I think would look really cute with a pair of boots or booties, and just, they're very, very comfortable. So this one is in the running as well. So after I put this back on with these jeans, I'm actually considering keeping this top. It is so crazy comfortable. It's one of those things that I think the more you wear it, it literally just feels so lightweight. And the one I have is definitely much more constrictive feeling. So I think I might be keeping this one too. So I'm going to consider all of this, and then I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So now that I've gone through the whole box, and you can tell I'm wearing one of the sweaters that I have picked from that box because I love this thing. It is so comfy and just amazing. I went through and chose 3 things that I'm pretty sure I'm definitely keeping. This shirt I'm definitely keeping. The black shirt I'm definitely keeping. I'm debating on the distressed jeans because they're crazy, crazy, crazy comfortable, but I don't tend to gravitate towards distressed jeans as much anymore. So I'm wondering if that's really something that I should be keeping. The other item that I'm considering keeping is the black puffer vest. I just think it's so soft and so comfortable. I really like it. So that one is in the running. So definitely keeping those 2 shirts, and then I'm debating between the others. The cardigan just was too big on me after I looked at it. The off-the-shoulder shirt, I kind of discussed why I'm not going to be keeping that. The other pair of jeans, I would have loved to keep those, but they were just too low, and I just felt like I was going to be showing everything if I leaned over. And the last thing is that Henley kind of waffle knit shirt. I loved that, but I just cannot validate paying that price point for that type of shirt. So this was a fun video to do. You guys know I love unboxings. I have done every brand out there pretty much that you can think of. If there's one that I have not yet tried, please let me know. So I really enjoyed getting this box and trying different things on. It does get a little difficult when you own as many clothes as I personally do. It gets a little bit difficult to style me because I have a lot of items that are similar, as you guys saw and you heard me talk about. But I definitely think this is a great service. They were kind enough to supply me with a code, a discount code, $10 off your first order for you guys, and the code is LisaSz10. So if you are interested, I will put a link down in the description box with that information. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love doing unboxing and try on videos for you guys, and I love trying all these different subscription services, learning what I like and dislike with them, and kind of learning the different stylists and how they find out my style for me as well. So if you guys had any questions on anything you saw here at all, please let me know. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.